Show me all the Pokemon that fucking Kaijudo.
Well, I broke my sleeves, but they were kind of beat up. So I guess I'll use that.
It's terrific.
I broke my sack too.
Tell us how you really feel.
No, I mean, my magic stuff's in there too. My eating is my cube, so.
Well, the cards, so.
Yeah, I mean, I can't use my. I mean, I eat the Yu-Gi-Oh cards actually. It's just the best of all of them.
Yeah.
You were the one that asked me on the JoJo about the mono green deck, right?
Yeah, because you ran Mono Green as well, right?
Yep. Yeah,
I think we're the two who qualified with Mono Green.
Yep. God.
I'd be very happy if you weren't playing that again.
I'd be very happy if you weren't playing that again. Oh God.
I'd be very happy if you're both not playing it again.
No, it's like, it would be a quick match, trust me. There's 0 blockers.
True.
You'd be in and out in like 10 minutes. You want a high roll?
Sure.
All right. Yeah, at even. Just kidding.
So,
All right.
I'm gonna take forever to shuffle that one.
Oh man, never mind. We'll be here for 40 minutes then.
Just shuffle, yeah. 5 minutes to play the match, 35 to shuffle, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it'll keep you entertained, right, guys?
It's not live, so.
Yeah, that's true. No, I mean, like, I guess you can filter it. Damn, I can edit my swearing. You hit 4 arbiters in your shields. Judge.
Pretty sure you were.
I think I noticed that.
That's what he's here for.
I mean, my last round opponent, he hit, like, in the match, 3 Terra Pits and 5 arbiters.
What?
I won.
Maybe wanted to call a judge at some point for that.
Well, he didn't swing in ever, so I just kept on drawing creatures to play. He didn't draw cats. It was crazy. It was definitely a grind. All right.
So, one big grind.
Oh yeah, well, that last match, I was like, man, I'm exhausted.
Yeah.
It was like a 15
I'm
minute.
like, can we get a break?
There's a lot of no vending machines out there either. It's like,
Yeah, I know. There's one right out in the garage.
Oh, okay.
The garage, there's one right out there.
I have to run over there. I want to pass up from dehydration. Only halfway through the tournament.
Oh, no kidding.
Yeah, I came out of the bathroom between rounds. I don't even know where it's.
This is round 6.
Yeah, round 6, we had the lunch break already.
Yeah.
Oh, we have a dinner break too, don't we?
Yeah.
No, they're coming that.
Now we're going straight through.
Good.
Yeah, we're 4.
We should hopefully be out of here a little after 8.
Oh, that's good. Yeah, it was a time to actually have dinner. All right, good luck.
Yeah, unlike last night.
All right. Good. Oh. Good. Oh, he played light cards. I don't know. Maybe he's not playing mono green. He could just be splashing for shield blast.
Yeah, splash for the arbiters.
No, that's what everyone else did. I'm like, no. I want to draw all my spells. I want to be able to play a card every turn, as long as I have mana. Which, you know, yeah, not mono colors like you never draw a Gilgate.
Yeah.
You never get screwed by that. They're like, no, you never get mana screwed in this game. I'm like, you definitely get mana screwed. You'll have like one card in your hand, and you're like, I have to draw a non-basic land. Pouncing Cricket. Oh man.
I think that probably gives it away.
Oh man. Sunplant Tortoise. I guess I should look at my shields. This might be one of those matchups where it matters. No, I just usually check 2 cards or 3. Well, I check the Sunplants to make sure. Make sure they're not all like in the shields. Oh man, my squad failed.
Yeah, the ending of this game was so disappointing. We're so looking forward to veggies next season.
I feel like
mean,
I almost ran them for this. And,
Really?
Yeah.
Veggie ramp?
Yeah, but it was just too many pieces.
Yeah, it's kind of.
Yeah.
If you could like get back some
more things.
sumo artichoke with it,
Yeah.
then it'd be. Well, I think it'd actually be too good. But oh, you want to cut?
I don't think it would be too good actually. That's, you know.
I mean, it'd be pretty good.
It just would make it a lot better. Yeah.
Oh yeah. I'm done. That's a new one.
I actually was convinced to play it just an hour before this.
I built my deck for like 20 minutes, but not really 20 minutes. Built it before the lunch break.
What?
I had everything.
It's time to do it, but
I had the core together. I had
It's
like
working for you.
8 or 9 slots like to toy around with. Like that wasn't in the deck.
Which one?
This thing, it's been, it's pretty good. Once he gets active, he just like draws 2 extra cards every time. What's better than drawing is like, oh, I get them on a 2 different mana zone. That's a good effect. Oh man. Ah.
Here you go.
Yep. Arbiter. Nope. Okay, go ahead. Although it, I mean, it doesn't do much here. Just, hey, it's a guy.
How many cards in there?
3. Okay.
Good.
What's your mana count?
5.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Nothing. End of turn, I'll get back. Ah. I guess this thing. Not like that. Yep.
Great claw.
Yep. Oh. Interesting. Ow.
I know. I've been getting that a lot, even though this deck is nothing but
Yeah. You have like 12 cards in hand?
What? Yeah, like a bunch.
A bunch. Okay.
You have 6, right?
6 mana? Yes.
Have to go in, otherwise. I mean, that could be something else, but
Always a chance, right?
yeah.
Yep.
Ah,
Sumo!
go ahead.
Sumo slam! Alright, let's see what happens. I'll attack new sheet, or attack you, I guess. I'll get this, and this. Alright. Yeah, sumo.
Yeah, when I looked with the clan and I saw nothing in shields, I was like, this is gonna be over.
Yeah, I was like, oh, there's a sumo red choke. That's pretty good for me usually. I just gotta get a couple protectors on the board and just protect it so I can win the game for the race.
Yeah.
Oh, that's what I'm pretty sure. I don't know if this matchup is a race or not. I mean, it's a race with something.
It's interesting, you know, like the last one was also first game I just got way outraced, and it's like,
Really?
you want to get into the race, or how do you want to play it?
Yeah. I mean,
You went. Did you go first on that one?
yeah, I won that roll, so it might be a coin flip. I don't know. I mean, usually mirror matches are basically coin flips, so maybe obviously have different builds, but out of my mana. I was like, yeah, I'm gonna Boulder Fist him, but I wasn't really sure.
Didn't need it.
Yeah, I mean, luckily I didn't have a containment field or Arbiter in the shields.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if you're playing Arbiter.
That was a big disappointment. I was like, no.
Yeah, I hear you. I was like, yep, he worked. That's good. But keep bashing in. Need to.
Yeah, 'cause I think Rayclaw took 4 by itself, right?
Yeah, it was.
That,
it was.
that was the big hurt.
Yep, it was ramping me and drawing me a card with Wutalk. Not bad for not having a 2-drop.
Yeah.
If I had a 2-drop, man, going Wutalk into Great Claw, just drawing all the cards.
Let's try first.
Yeah, that might be an idea. Sounds good to me. I don't know if the game actually get to 8 mana ever in this matchup. I mean,
7 might be, 6 might be a stretch.
yeah, well, I mean, we do have ramp. We do have
Yeah.
ramp. Hey, look, it's a sumo. We get a slightly better credit here.
Oh, man.
Yeah. Savage. Oof.
Plan out.
Oof. It's good though. It's a
ahead.
good guy. It's a good man.
That turtle.
See if the last
Please
one's in
speed
the
shields,
shield.
speed shields, speed shields.
I'm not seeing any sumo artichokes in here. Oh, that's awkward. There's like 4 Evos on the top of my deck in a row. Get away from each other. I want you separated.
Damn it.
Nope, the value.
It really is the worst because like when they're in shields, it's like, all right.
Yeah, right.
Here you go.
Yeah.
You got it.
I'll pass. See if he has another Evo.
No, my fortune with my great claw is not as nice as yours.
No, that guy is much. One card hands?
Yep. You have how many cards?
I have 4.
Oh boy.
Yeah, card advantage. Yep.
Yep.
Maybe some cards, I guess. Double break.
Yep. These two?
Yep.
Oh no.
Go ahead. Uh-oh. Nope.
You have how many cards?
I have quick.
Build the great claw.
Yep.
Great claw.
Overkill.
Last time I went in for shields, it was a bad idea, but
I don't know.
yeah. I mean, if you get a sumo, what's the worst thing you can do? Just gonna live with it.
What?
Fuck's sake, man.
You asked what's the worst thing that could happen. Let's find out. Just kidding.
Fuck. Alright. I'll take the... Will I take the golden? Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
That's
No, that's it. Yeah, I mean,
Go ahead. You kinda
I'm gonna
said-
destroy my own
yeah.
mana base. Poke you. It'll be an arbiter, don't worry.
That would be terrific right now.
Yeah, no, it'll be an arbiter.
Okay. Block. You guys watch next to hand jack. Don't block. I have to kill. I think you're saying I have to kill him. And you're gonna hand jack next turn. But then I can also just go into your game. But I have to kill him. Yeah.
I think you eventually have to kill the super.
I have to kill him. Hold on.
Where?
I go?
No, I'm not. Pressure.
Yep.
6.
7.
Oh, wow.
An arbiter.
There's an arbiter. Well, I can't cast it. Go ahead. Oh, yeah, I have to break a shield.
Yeah.
It's attacking.
Yep.
Go ahead. That might be important. While it's attacking, break a shield.
Alright. There's another sumo. I might just cry.
Like I said, I don't remember seeing any in there.
There's one in mana, one dead. So
I mean, there's always the chance.
yeah, you said you remember seeing one and then it popped up on the shield, so I have a tendency not to trust your word here.
Oh, come on. I'm a trustworthy guy. You killed all my Ninja Turtles. Jesus. They're all dead. Forever. I'm not getting them back ever.
Let's go Jack.
Guess who's back? Nope.
Okay. We're going in. Last two. Shield training would be like really helping me so far, and then I've gotten 0 so
Yeah.
far in these matchups.
It was on there?
Nope.
Oh, man. 0 for 10.
0 for 10.
I'll take it. I'll take 0 for 10. My hair 0 for 15.
I think that means I'm due for 5 here, right? The law of averages.
No. Depends on who you're at. If you only play at 6, I don't think so.
Play a little more than 6.
Yeah, you got me first, I guess. Bronze arm try to get you into the.
You know, I like for the longest time was gonna take it out because it's just like it's one of those cards that you look at and you're like it's not
Yeah,
enough.
I mean,
It's not giving me
it
enough.
wasn't that impressive in testing. It's just.
Yeah, but it's
I mean, it was good there.
against faster matchups it helps get me.
Yeah, yep. That's why I put the hatchery. It's just like, you give me cards, sweet.
Yeah.
I'm gonna play them all. Oh man, flipping over arbiters. Jeez.
So many judge cards.
So angry too. All right, this is for all the patty cakes.
It is.
All right, good luck.
Good luck.
That's it. All right. I'll probably go first. Let's see. Let's see my hand. It's atrocious. Maybe that's it's like a 99% chance to go first. Hard estimate. Go ahead. It's a Gilgate though. Good. Sprout.
What?
Man, he's got Sprout. How would you counter that also? Just hatching some lands.
Right?
Oh, come on.
Like this early I have to do that.
It's just springtime. With the jams.
Worst case, we can just cycle. Worst case, we can cycle them through. They can draft here and then move on. What? Yeah, that's what I figured. Yeah.
It's only an 8-person. See how many are in the shields this time?
There's 2. That's
Is there 2?
That would be the magic number over here.
Move all the evils around because I hate them all next to each other.
You got the other one?
No, I'm not playing.
Oh, you're not playing.
Yep. Right to my hand. And I'm not playing.
Oh, jeez.
Go ahead. Look at all these great 3 drops I'm playing. Only had a 2 drop. Alright, no.
So there's the Sun Clan. There are 4. The Sun Clan.
I ain't saying nothing. It could be a forest. You have 3 cards after you hand them?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's rough. I don't think I'm gonna get there.
I mean, I don't know. These games haven't gotten to fisting, so turn up.
Alright.
Turn up for what?
Go.
I guess it's coming in hot. Really, guys? The last one.
Really gonna need some shits here. Mohamed needs to be on my side for once.
Yep. You gotta give us some love.
Thank God. Okay.
Trigger.
Yeah.
Backward mother.
Yep.
Well, makes up for the 0 for 10.
Yep.
Just thought. Okay.
The other 3 go on better containment field. But I'd say we're about even.
Do I need on the tricky or the Oh, I need action.
Yep.
Kill Rico. Six, right? Turtle and
Yep.
yeah. Turtle effect.
Oh yeah. See if the 3rd armor is in there. I guess I shouldn't have been so nice to them. Like, yeah, I'm gonna start the right hand side.
Yeah, thank God you saw on the right hand side.
I was Like, those cards are definitely more foily, right?
Oh gosh. Okay. Let's go ahead and kill.
Yep.
Kill.
Yep.
Kill.
Yep.
Oh, go ahead. Actually, remember looking for the other turtles, so I don't know if there's another one. Like,
Oops.
number one thing to do, but no.
That's just one thing. I should first. I guess you're kind of checking your shield, but you're doing the turtle. So yeah, it's prize. Fun prize.
You're at how much?
7.
So boulder fist is a possibility. Go turtle.
Yep. Let's see if it's
I
in there.
actually don't think it's in here.
Well, that's good.
Oh, okay, thank God.
No! Put it in your shield. Give me 2 arbiters. What more do you want from me?
Okay.
Yep. Yep.
Okay. 1, 2.
Yep.
Should I just go all the way? You have. Am I allowed to check your game now?
Yeah.
Is there another sumo here? Yeah, there's that. Okay. Is there a reason I should break another shoot? That's what I need to determine here.
If you could, it'd be amazing, but it's what time.
Oh, I can, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, question answered then. Go ahead.
Yay. If you could, that'd be amazing, but let's see. You have 2 cards. I mean, turtle. Let's see. Planted for the 3rd arbiter. Go ahead.
Turtle.
Yep. Woo, triggers.
5. Is that?
Yep.
Ready? Kill it?
Yep.
Alright. There's another sumo actually. You can make it. Is it a sumo?
No, there's no shield.
No, I'm saying it's that sumo.
That's why I was like, I'm gonna look up like, there's no sumos in here. Yeah. Alright, are you attacking all you guys into my sumo?
No, I mean it's your go.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Let's see. You have more shield blasts. God. Well, I mean, has to be a shield blast that someone deals with turn up too, which is possible. But let's see. I'm gonna play around that edict effect. I think. So this. Another one. Love this. Double break. Whatever.
Yep.
Those two.
Yep. Okay.
Oh my god. I'm looking, I'm like, there's two sumos in there. I'm like, thank God.
2 arbiters with the 2 sumos. You can't do anything about it.
Dude, that was a good game.
Wow.
Those first
was
2 games were
close.
like runovers, and then this one was like, man, 2 arbiters, like you plague winded me, and then like the second sumo was just clutch. I was thinking, I'm like, wait, did I see the second one? Did I see the other one in the shield? I don't remember. I was like, I'm trying to think back. I'm like, I don't think it was there. I think they're both in the shields.
There's nothing else I could have done.
I know.
Yeah,
You had to go in there. You
I
couldn't
don't
like.
think there was anything I put in mana that I should have. Yeah.
No, it's just I had 2 sumos, and I mean, you had 2 arbiters, so I got it kind of balanced out.
Yeah.
I don't know what would happen if I broke those 2 last. If you would have like raced me and killed me back on the correct path. I don't know.
Who knows?
Depends how far you got. Depends how far along you were before.
Yeah. I mean, I actually thought like the first 2 are like they looked a little more foily, so I'm like those are gonna be arbiters, right?
Yeah, they were.
Yeah, well, no, like the first 2
the first
of
over
the
there.
attack, yeah, like the stack over there. I was like, those gotta be arbiters, right? So I'm gonna hit the last 2 first. Be all tricksy, nope. God, that was sick. See, everyone gets arbiters against me, I still win. Man, that was
2
close.
sumos, man.
Yeah, that was close. That was a good game. That match was definitely something I've never tested. No one else plays Mono Arena over here, so.
Yeah.
I mean, granted, you have light cards, but. Yeah, no. I was thinking, like, man. Yeah, no, I'm waiting for you to draw the Boulder Fist too and kill me.
Yeah.
If you Boulder Fist at any time, I'm dead.
Yeah.
But you kind of like, I don't know, you just like bricked it for. What are you playing? Are you playing 2?
I played 2, yeah, and
Okay.
I put it down because I don't think I did reach 8. I think I reached 7 at the most. I reached 8 on the very last play.
Yeah, I mean, you were still drawing, I think. All right,
Yeah.
the Boulder Fist. Oh, freeze.
Good game, man.
Yeah, good match.